Hello friends, welcome to this Blue Prism Advanced Learning series. I am Manish Pandey. If you are watching this video, it means you want to take your Blue Prism skills to the next level. In this complete series, I'll be teaching about the Blue Prism advanced topics like internal business objects, functions, and real-time use cases. And there are lots of things will be covered in this series. One more important thing. If you are complete beginners, then I'll strongly recommend you to watch my video from the playlist Blue Prism Associate Developer playlist ASDEV01. There I have explained each and everything from the basics to the certification level. You will learn about the introduction to the Blue Prism, RPA, work use, exception handling, debugging, and there are lots of things, the basic things you will learn from there. Now, if you have already covered that things, if you already know about the basics, then this is the best place to start. So let's continue with the advanced topics. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.